see here. We're gonna have some fun and wash off the car at the same time. Just gotta go around the block here. Road flooded up there, and I'm gonna go through it. The camera's sliding around on my dashboard, but it should be alright. We're gonna have us some fun. Oh shit! Snap. It's called the Hillbilly Car Wash. Anytime it doesn't cost any sort of money, I'm in favor for it. Right over there is where we're gonna go. I'm gonna go play in the water. It's fun. Stupid. It's fun. Ain't gonna go very fast through it, but alright, here we go. Shout, kid. I don't wanna hit you. Shout, kid. Here we go. Wee-hee! Yay! I thought it stalled out.